Assalamu alaikum. I'm Dr. SADAF Fatima and I cleared my MRCP UK Part 2 exam, alhamdulillah, by grace of Allah. And I thank my parents and sister and well-deserving study partner Dr. Asa for the patience and prayers throughout, and as a mentor Dr. Ahad. I cleared my MRCP UK Part 2 exams at my second attempt within a year of clearing MRCP UK Part 1. During my preparation, I didn't have to push too hard for Part 2 at second attempt, as I had built a lot of concepts in my first attempt, where I gave all my time in 3 months time for extensive study, especially two topics that were high yield, difficult and brain churning. I used only PASTEST as my online subscription because Dr. AHAD'S past medicine book overview, MADBOX, past paper discussions, radiology lectures and ECG interpretations were more than enough to help me become confident. As a mentor, Dr. Ahad has always been available to help and guide me and also help me analyze my performance. Thank you, sir. During my preparation, the biggest challenge I faced was revision, and to that I just kept in mind to just keep on going and not toil myself over the things I couldn't cover in the last few days or weeks before the exam. I made sure to score well in the RCP sample papers that I took few weeks before the exam, so even if I was lagging, I would have time to work on it. This time around, the Part 2 exam paper standard was set too high and I found it very tough one. One thing that helped me stay calm in the examination comparatively was my time management, which I would say was pretty smooth due to my habit of attempting time tests during my preparation that I used to doing since Part 1. I was done with both paper 1 and 2 well before time and was able to revise it. So my only home message is to start extensive study months before exam. Don't stress too much about images and scans and ECGs. Just make sure you know basics. Revise frequently as the last minute revisions becomes stressful. Sit in the exam